Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients. Use 4 medium russet potatoes, 2 cups corn, 1 cup heavy cream, and 4 cups low-sodium chicken or vegetable stock. Chop potatoes into 1-inch cubes so they cook evenly and dice 1 large onion and mince 2 cloves garlic. Crisp 4 slices bacon in a skillet, reserve 1/2 cup fat for sautéing, and measure 2 tablespoons butter for a richer finish. Reserve 1 cup fresh or frozen corn kernels for garnish, and have 1 teaspoon salt, and begin by sautéing diced onion and minced garlic in 1/2 cup reserved bacon fat and 2 tablespoons butter for about 5 minutes until translucent and fragrant. Add the 1-inch potato cubes, 3 cups of corn, and 4 cups low-sodium stock, bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer 15 to 20 minutes until potatoes are fork tender. To thicken, ladle half the soup into a blender and puree until smooth. Return the puree to the pot, stir in 1 cup heavy cream, and heat gently without boiling. Finish the chowder by seasoning with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, tasting and adjusting as needed, and thin with up to 1/2 cup water or additional stock for desired thickness. Reheat the soup gently and check that it reaches 165 degrees F to ensure safe serving temperature and the best texture. To serve, ladle into bowls, garnish with the reserved 1 cup corn, crumbled bacon, and 2 tablespoons chopped chives per serving, and offer crusty bread. Leftovers store refrigerated up to 3 days or frozen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.